I'm Eddie Kennell.
And I'm Tom Kennell.
We're the Mortgage Brothers team. And if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, what are my options when it comes to purchasing a house? And Tom and I, of course, are loan officers with the Mortgage Brothers team. And if you're watching, you're probably a past customer of ours, or perhaps you're new and you've been referred by a real estate agent or a friend or family. So welcome. But we're going to go over the options about purchasing a house. And there's really three categories that Tom and I are going to be discussing. So the first category of a home buyer is someone who's a new home buyer, someone who's never purchased a house. And in most cases, buyers who are new to this, never done it before, are not going to have a large down payment. There are lots of options that we're going to have available to you. Even 1% down. That's really the minimum down for those who can qualify for that.
Is 1% down really available?
Yeah, it is. There's a lot of different little, it's a conventional loan, 1% down. We'll go over the details. If you're interested, just give us a call or email. But 1% down on conventional, 3% down is another conventional program. And for borrowers who have low credit scores, and a low credit score is really low 600s, to mid 600s. If you have low to mid credit, you're looking at probably an FHA loan might be the best fit as well. Another option for the FHA. And then if you're a veteran, then the VA loan is likely going to be your option with 0% down. So for first-time home buyers, establishing credit, making sure we have stable income, and a down payment, again, a minimum of 1%. Gifts are allowed, and we'll go over all of that if you contact us.
Now, the other group of buyers are those people already sitting in their kitchens or their living rooms, and they're saying, you know what, life has changed, the family's growing, the family is shrinking, or we're moving from one part of town to the other. And you were what we consider an existing homeowner who needs to purchase again. You fall into two buckets. One is you're going to try and retain your home and purchase a new home, or you're going to sell your home first or simultaneously. So there's lots of different little things, and it's hard to cover on a video. But in short, basically, if your income is strong enough and your debts are low enough and you can afford to hold two homes at once, then you can purchase the new primary home while you own your existing primary home. At the same time, take your time to move into the new home, move out of the old home, either sell it or rent it, but you have that option open to you. If your income and your debts are not ideal and you need to sell, that's not a problem. There's many people in that bucket. Then you would simply either sell the home first, move into a rental, or you would sell it simultaneously, and that would be what we call a contingency sale. There is also a program, it's called a bridge loan. Those are a little more complicated, but there's definitely options for you. So don't hesitate to think about moving, even though you're already in your home.
When it comes down to it, everyone's situation is unique, and the best thing you can do is just call us or email us. We're going to go over your situation and give you a strategy of how you can purchase that next home.
All right. Thanks for listening.